Victorinox Classic SD. Oh, wow, this looks really precious. There are many colors of this. Wow, this is really so tiny. It's like a jewel. This is the toothpick here. Let's see, this is comparison with the Alox model. The thickness. We have the ring. Tweezers. Pretty good tweezers actually. So you have the scissors. Careful with the scissors. Very sharp. Markings on it. And no markings on the other side. Nice tiny blade. Nail file, screwdriver tip. It's difficult to choose between these two, which one is better. For the keys, I would say the Alox is better. This is the Classic SD Alox, red color. And this is the Classic SD Fire Opal with the transparent scales like this. For the keys, I would prefer the Alox models like the MiniChamp or the Classic SD. If you would get a MiniChamp, the MiniChamp is just a little bit thicker. Just the size of one Alox scale. Keychain accessory.